Hello guys! Happy Sunday! So, it's Sunday and di off. Walang trabaho. So, dito kami sa bahay guys. Hindi kami lumabas. Nagsimba lang kami ng umaga. And now si asawa is nagluluto for our lunch and dinner. Ito na siya guys. So, sarap. Sarap-sarap. Kanina guys, masakit yung ulo ko. Kaya ako ay nakahiga lang guys, ganyan. Kaya nagluluto siya. Sawa! And this is the ingredients guys. Ito ay chicken galupula, tomato paste.
Not chicken. It's gallo.
So it's galupula guys. Yan, tomato paste. At saka yung mga secret daw na spices, ayun yung sabihin. And then yan, bell pepper, sili, apple vinegar, and then onion. So, ito yung lahat. Tapos meron pang cream. Nilagay niya mamaya. Ooh! Pina-fry niya muna ito guys. And then later on, lulutuin niya together with these ingredients. Yeah!
Happy filter, no? Sabi na po. Ang sabi ko, gusto pa.
Dapat yun.
Hindi mo malipit. Ano ba? Hey, we're live. We're live. We're live on TV. We're live on TV.
Sarap guys, sarap.
Ano eh? Look. 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 Minsan sa mga lang. Look. Okay?
Masarap guys, masarap. Nagluluto si asawa ko. Cream cheese.
Cream milk. Cream cheese.
Cream milk, yeah.
Cream cheese. You're talking. Okay.
Abatar na? Abatar na?
You take that or I'll take that. Cream cheese.
No, hindi naman yung abatar na. Dinday is also cooking. He's cooking kanding, what is kanding? Goat.
Goat, the inner goat.
No, not the inner goat. I think it's like the legs and something. Yeah, with the potato silaugan.
Let's have a timing. If I will put all at once, you will have noticed results, you know?
Yeah, so,
So need good cooking. Takes for cooking is what? Time and patience.
hindi mo dyan adobo na tayo.
Ming.
Yes! Creamy di...
Paprika. You like the smell? Not so much cheese. As you can see, from putting or now heavy cream.
It's a German food guys yung lulutuin niya. Yan si kusinero. Kusinero! Another cream.
Mention that we are cooking for second.
This menu guys, this would be for our 3 days food. Kasi marami siya. It's a lot. And we are only 2. So, we're cooking this for 3 days guys. So, para hindi rin kami magluluto bukas at sa sunod na araw. Pero napakasarap nito guys. Niluto na to niya noon and I like it very much. So that's why I requested to my asawa to cook this dish again. It's yummy. Very masarap. Mga secret spices niya, guys. Ayun
And-
niyang sabay sabihin.
Secret spices
And?
and a pinch of love.
A pinch of love
Because
daw.
this ingredient doesn't count as spicy. There's one ingredient that doesn't count as
Oh,
spicy.
really?
It's a secret ingredient.
Tubig. Lagad siya ng water, guys. Tapos, you set it to boil.
It will boil. Because of the cream inside, this will get creamy. It won't stay like that.
Okay. Cremidi. Ilagay na niya yung caramelized na cremidi na onion. Sarap. At saka yung the pepper, guys.
Pepper there.
Ano?
Right, pepper
Red
there.
pepper. And now, yung galupula, guys. Turkey, guys. Turkey galupula. Ah. Yummy na niya, guys. Oh, ang sarap. Oh my God. Yee. Tapos ngayon, guys, i-boil lang to siya. We wait for how many minutes?
20.
20 minutes, guys. Hanggang siya ay magiging sticky, eh.
Cream.
Creamy. And then, ready na siya, guys. Tapos magluto na rin si asawa og rice. Yeah, magkauna na yun, me.
Basmati.
He will cook basmati
After it
rice.
will be ready, we'll put this.
This cordo. Okay, the garlic. After this daw, yung garlic at the end. And now we wait, guys. So, habang...
Some heat.
So, habang kami nag-antay, guys, magkain muna ako ng apple. So, magkaon sa ta, guys, so, og apple. Sarap ng apple. Sinawsaw ko siya sa vinegar with salt na parang mangga na.
Oh, it's not boiling, right? I don't get it. Look the flame how high. I need to boil it. If it will not boil, it will stay like this.
It takes time.
Ah.
You need to
No.
wait.
Ultra wide. This is ultra strong. But now it's good. What we are talking about?
Say something, kusinero.
What are you talking about?
May kusinerong asawa. Masipag kong asawang laging nagluluto. Siya ang aking tagaluto, guys.
It's a big pot.
It is. What is that? Ayan na siya, guys. So, nagsimula na siyang nag-boil. Yan. Antayin na lang hanggang maging creamy siya. And then, it's ready. Ilagay pa pala yung garlic at the end. Sarap na yun. Nagbukal-bukal na siya. Nagbukal-bukal na siya.
Look, you're
Nanghugas na si asawa, guys, kasi patapos na siya. Inantay na lang namin na maging creamy yung niluto niya. Ngayon, habang nag-aantay kami, naghugas na siya ng mga ginamit niya. And then, magluto na siya ng rice. And then, magkaon na mi. Now, guys, nilagay na niya yung garlic. Sarap na kay siya, guys. Uy, lamay na kay siya.
It's trigaron.
Extragon. Extragon. Uy, lamay na kay siya, guys. So, tanaw ko, guys. So, start na siyang maging creamy. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. I will make a ching again. Don't do that.
You have an extra good face.
Ang sarap na niyo, guys. Uy, ang sarap na. Panagya mo.
Now,
Now, guys,
One.
mag-add siya ng more
2,
vinegar.
3,
4, 5, 6.
6.
Sarap. Tapos mag-add din siya ng kaunting butter. And that's it, guys. Ready na among pagkaon.
Creamy.
Asawa ko, it's yummy the food. Ay, labad ka. Yan, guys, nag-add na siya ng butter. Masarap na niya, guys. Uy, it's creamy na. Guys, rice naman ang niluto niya sawa. Yummy. Tapos ito na siya. And we're ready to eat na, guys. At ito na, guys, ang aming pagkain. Ready na. So, mga unami, guys, kay gigutom na ko. Si asawa. Thank you, asawa, for the food. Mga una ta, guys. Mga unami. Hop.
Juicy the turkey.
Tapos na kami, guys, kumain, ano. So, yan na yung ganap namin for Sunday, guys. So, today, ngayon, it's time to relax na, guys. Mag-relax muna kami, guys. Manood kami. Yan. Manood kami ng The Chosen. So, kay tapos naman, ang ganap for today, Sunday. Asawa ko? Manood, mag-relax namin, guys. Agay. Ay. Relax. Kay trabaho na po kumaan ako. God bless everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.